I'm gonna pick them small this time. Last time I think I picked some that was a little too hard and too big. So I'm gonna pick these tender babies today. Come on with me. It ain't but about a handful of these out here. So one down in here getting a little big. So I'm just dropping them in. Well, I can't put those in a little nicer. Your okra in nice and gentle. Drop them in with love. It's a nice one down in here. Feels soft enough. I don't think it's hard. Here's another one. It's like you think these things grew overnight. Here's one down in here. It's a little nice size one. It's got some little nubs on it, but I think it'll be okay. And this, by the way, is a short plant variety of okra. It's called Baby Bubba Dwarf Hybrid. And this is my first time growing it. And so far, I like it. It's nice and short. It doesn't take up much space. It's just a little bushier on top than my tall okra here. See how much taller this okra is compared to this one? So this taller okra here is called the Clemson Spineless. And I like it too. It's pretty tall and it seems to produce a little faster than the Baby Bubba version. So I think I'll grow both of these again next year for sure. I have a small grow bag of Baby Bubba okra here. Let's see if anything is in here. I don't think it's ready yet. It was an experiment to grow these in here. I have like, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have about 7 or 8 okras growing in this one bag just as an experiment to see how many I could grow at one time and to see if they would thrive in the bag or not. And so far, it's growing pretty good. So let's harvest some eggplants. Some of these are kind of small, but I'm going to get them anyway. There's another one in here. Can't reach these things, I'm kind of short. Whoa, I got them. So I got a handful. I think I'll go ahead and get this one small squash. Green bean time. These are contender bush beans. They don't get too long, but it's good eating. I know it had to be more than one bean in here. It's another one all the way down. I think I'll get some jalapenos. I almost can't keep up with these jalapenos. They're growing so fast. More jalapenos. Here's another one. See you all on the next harvest. Have a good one, y'all.